Welcome back to Grow What You Know. I'm Nat Kelley, and today I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can storytell for the soil. What do famine, the COVID-19 pandemic, and the fall of the Roman Empire all have in common? Soil erosion. It is probably the most important story that humans will ever tell. No soil, no food. No food, no life. By learning to tell the story of soil in your own way, you are creating awareness and also regenerating yourself. First, start by finding your own why. This is your personal connection with the soil. While facts and figures make for excellent evidence, there's nothing more compelling than a personal story. Once you define this for yourself, it'll help you talk to your community about the importance of soil. Second, find innovative ways to share about the importance of regeneration with your existing audience, be it friends, family, or followers. Use the skills you already have to make this a reality. It could be posting on social media, creating a video, or sharing on a podcast or blog. For those who want to take their advocacy a step further, you can get formally trained as a soil advocate and become a public speaker for the soil. Kiss the Ground Soil Advocate Training has trained thousands of advocates. That's how I got my start in the regenerative movement. They empowered me to find my voice and tell my soil story. This online course can be taken by anyone, anywhere. For those who want to take the course with other advocates, Kiss the Ground also offers several guided cohort trainings throughout the year, led by KTG's co-founder, Finian Makepeace. SAT graduates are some of the most exciting storytellers in the regenerative movement. To see more of Kiss the Ground's storytelling, subscribe to KTG's YouTube channel. To find out more about our media program and the actions you can take now, check out the links below.